Sawadee krap, Delon Serino here, your Filipino expat to Thailand, back with another video, and it's another special episode today because I will be doing an unboxing video right in front of you today. So if you're wondering, am I even a tech guru or a tech person? Actually, I'm not one of them, but I just wanted to share this wonderful device that I bought just today because this was on sale. This speakers that I bought right now actually cost only, where's my phone?
Later.
So these speakers only cost 890 baht from its original price of 2,490, and if you think about it, it's a good steal already for buying this piece of speakers. And I'm talking about the Clip 2 JBL speakers. So this is the packaging. I'll be showing this one in a few minutes, but for now I would like to make a quick shout out to one of my previous students who I met in Siam Paragon today, because what happened was she was an exchange student for AFS in the United States, and she just came back from the US back here in Thailand and gave me these goodies. So she brought me some chocolate, a map of Wisconsin. It's a Wisconsin chocolate. I hope you can see it there. Let me open that one for you. I hope you can see that one, or the reflection. But anyway, she got me chocolate and a keychain from, this one's from Minnesota. Just take it off from the packaging. There, that's Minnesota. Anyway, thank you so much, Rawinon Mint. Thank you for the souvenirs you brought for me. Anyway, let's do the unboxing now. So yes, like what I said earlier, these were on sale today, again for a whopping price of only 890 baht, and we're gonna see what this thing can do. So first thing is, we can see the actual unit automatically from this packaging, and let's get this open.
Let's just rip it off.
Okay, first thing that comes out is this one, our charger, and right out of that box is our main speakers.
Okay. What?
There, our speakers. So these, oh, it's texturized with some faux, how do you even call these things? It's like faux something. And what's amazing with this one is it has a 3.5mm headphone input. Oh, tucked in at the bottom part of the speaker, and we have buttons. It has the power button there. We have the USB input and our Bluetooth icon, button, whatever you want to call it, right there. Other buttons, we have a volume up and down button and the press to answer button right there. So it's actually just easy to use with all those buttons here. And let's try to power on this thing. So I think I previously owned a JBL speaker before, and all we have to do is try to pair this one with our Bluetooth. Let's try it on my phone. Searching. How do you do this one at first? Wait, do I have to press longer? Wait, oh, that's the power button. See? Not the techie person you think I am. Okay, there. So I think that's the search. JBL Clip 2. And we're connected. That was easy. All we have to do is try this one out. Let's play some songs with this one. It's decently loud enough. Let's play some video vlogs here. Let's try something that I want to watch. Let's try to try, guys.
A little more intense.
Oh! This is gonna be the greatest video you ever watch.
I am going to recreate Ariel's labor for 14 hours.
We're gonna put Ned through the gauntlet.
So that's a good one. Alright, that was easy. Easy to pair, easy to connect, easy to use. So that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. That's how easy it is to pair. Oh yeah, by the way, there's a blue LED light at the back of the speakers, and we have a portable carabiner if you want to hang this on your backpack or on yourself if you want to. And that's it. That's basically it with our new speakers. And I hope you enjoyed this random unboxing stuff. If you like doing this one, comment on the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you have not. I think that's it for this video. I'll see you next time. Bye.
Because I feel again, I feel again.